Welcome to our tutorial on Punnett squares. Today we'll explore this powerful tool used in genetics to predict the outcomes of offspring from a genetic cross. Let's start by understanding the basics. A Punnett square is a diagram that helps us predict the possible genotypes of offspring in a genetic cross between two individuals. Here we have two parents, each represented by letters that denote their genetic traits. For example, let's use A for the dominant trait and A for the recessive trait. We place the alleles from one parent along the top row and the alleles from the other parent along the left column. By combining the alleles, we can determine the possible genotypes of the offspring. But what about the phenotypes? Phenotype refers to the physical expression of the genetic traits. In our example, A represents a dominant trait, which will always be expressed in the offspring if present, while A represents a recessive trait, which will only be expressed if both alleles are A. By analyzing the Punnett square, we can predict the ratio of genotypes and phenotypes in the offspring. So in summary, Punnett squares are a handy tool for predicting the genetic outcomes of offspring in a genetic cross. By understanding the principles behind Punnett squares, you can unravel the mysteries of inheritance and genetics. Thanks for joining our Punnett Square tutorial. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of genetics.
And then you simply bring one down and little b is white. And so I'm going to cross two heterozygous individuals. So they each contain one of each allele. So you put one allele in each box. And then you simply bring one down and one across. So the first box is going to have homozygous dominant. The second box, because you're going to bring the little b down and the big B across, is going to be heterozygous. The same thing for this box down here. And the final box is going to bring the recessive down and the recessive across. So now you have your four boxes, and you can figure out that one out of the four offspring, or 25%, will be homozygous dominant. 2 out of the 4 offspring, or 50%, are going to be heterozygous. And 1 out of the 4 offspring, or 25%, are going to be homozygous recessive. And so this one right here will be the only one that shows the white trait. So that's how you do a standard Punnett square. Good luck.